When you look at Earth from space, one thing stands out: the vast deep blue that wraps around our planet. In fact, over 70% of our planet's surface is covered by oceans, but among these mighty bodies of water, which one claims the title of the largest ocean on Earth? Today, on Earth and Beyond, we dive deep into the world's oceans, uncover amazing facts, and finally reveal which ocean reigns supreme in size and power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to explore Earth and the cosmos with us every week. Our journey begins in the far north, in the embrace of the Arctic Ocean. This ocean, the smallest and shallowest of the five, might seem an unlikely contender for the title of largest. Yet its size is no measure of its significance. Encompassed by the continents of North America, Europe, and Asia, the Arctic Ocean is a realm of extremes. It's a place where the sun barely rises in the winter months and where ice dominates the landscape for much of the year. But beneath this frozen surface lies a world teeming with life. Polar bears, the apex predators of the Arctic, roam the ice floes, while seals and walruses dive beneath the frozen waves. The Arctic Ocean is also home to a rich diversity of fish, including cod, halibut, and the iconic Arctic char. These creatures have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Arctic Ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate, reflecting sunlight back into space and influencing ocean currents. However, this fragile ecosystem is under threat from climate change. As temperatures rise, the ice that defines the Arctic is melting at an alarming rate. This loss of sea ice has profound implications for the wildlife that depends on it, as well as for the people who call the Arctic home. Despite its diminutive size, the Arctic Ocean holds a powerful message, a message of resilience, of adaptation, and of the urgent need to protect our planet's most vulnerable regions. As we leave the icy wilderness of the Arctic, we journey south towards warmer waters. But the story of the Arctic Ocean, a story of beauty, resilience, and the urgent need for conservation, will stay with us. Circling the South Pole, we encounter the Southern Ocean, a relentless expanse of water known for its fierce storms and powerful currents. This ocean, encircling the continent of Antarctica, is a force to be reckoned with. Unlike other oceans defined by the continents they border, the Southern Ocean is defined by a current, the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the most powerful current on Earth. This relentless flow of water acts as a barrier, isolating the waters around Antarctica from warmer waters to the north. The Southern Ocean is a place of extremes. It's home to some of the strongest winds on the planet, whipping up towering waves that can reach heights of over 100 feet. These waves, combined with the icy waters and the threat of icebergs, make the Southern Ocean one of the most treacherous bodies of water to navigate. But despite these challenges, life thrives in the Southern Ocean. Penguins, seals, and whales are just a few of the creatures that have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Emperor penguins, the largest of all penguin species, breed on the ice surrounding Antarctica, enduring temperatures that can plummet to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. The Southern Ocean is also home to a diverse array of krill, tiny crustaceans that form the base of the food chain, supporting everything from fish to whales. As we continue to explore the vastness of the Southern Ocean, we are reminded of its power, its beauty, and its fragility. Our journey now takes us north to the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, the third largest of the world's oceans. Bordered by Africa to the west, Asia to the north, and Australia to the east, the Indian Ocean holds a special place in human history. This ocean has been a crossroads of cultures and trade for centuries. The monsoon winds, which blow predictably from the northeast in winter and the southwest in summer, have facilitated trade routes across the Indian Ocean for millennia. These winds carried ancient mariners from Africa to India, from Arabia to Southeast Asia, creating a network of trade and cultural exchange that has shaped the course of human history. The Indian Ocean is home to a dazzling array of marine life, from the coral reefs teeming with colorful fish to the open ocean patrolled by sharks and whales. The waters around the Maldives, a chain of islands in the Indian Ocean, are renowned for their beauty and biodiversity. Here you can swim alongside manta rays, encounter whale sharks, and marvel at the intricate formations of coral. The Indian Ocean is also home to a number of important ecosystems, including mangroves, seagrass beds, and estuaries. These habitats provide vital nurseries for fish, protect coastlines from erosion, and help to regulate the climate. However, the Indian Ocean is facing a number of threats, including overfishing, pollution, and climate change. As we journey across the Indian Ocean, we are struck by its beauty, its history, and its importance to billions of people around the world. Our quest for the largest ocean now brings us to the Atlantic, the second largest ocean on Earth, an immense body of water that stretches from the Arctic Circle in the north to the icy shores of Antarctica in the south. The Atlantic Ocean is a realm of contrasts. Its surface currents are driven by wind, creating everything from gentle breezes to powerful hurricanes. The Gulf Stream, a warm current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico, carries warm water northward, influencing the climate of Western Europe. The Atlantic is home to a rich diversity of marine life, from the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the North Atlantic to the warm, tropical waters of the Caribbean. Humpback whales migrate thousands of miles across the Atlantic each year, traveling from their breeding grounds in the tropics to their feeding grounds in the colder waters of the north. Leatherback turtles, the largest of all sea turtles, cross the Atlantic on epic migrations, navigating by the stars and Earth's magnetic field. The Atlantic Ocean has played a pivotal role in human history, serving as a bridge between the Old World and the New. It was across the Atlantic that European explorers sailed to the Americas, forever changing the course of human history. Today, the Atlantic Ocean is a vital shipping route, connecting the Americas with Europe and Africa. However, the Atlantic Ocean is facing increasing pressure from human activities, including overfishing, pollution, and climate change. As we continue our journey across the Atlantic Ocean, we are reminded of its vastness, its power, and its importance to our planet and to ourselves. And so we arrive at the Pacific, the largest ocean on our planet, an ocean so vast it covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Its name, meaning peaceful sea, seems almost ironic, given its capacity for powerful storms and geological upheavals. The Pacific Ocean stretches from the Arctic Circle in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, bordered by the Americas to the east and Asia and Australia to the west. It is a home to the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, a chasm so deep that Mount Everest could be submerged within it with room to spare. The Pacific Ocean is a realm of superlatives. It is home to the largest coral reef system in the world, the Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of color and life stretching for over 1,400 miles along the coast of Australia. The Pacific Ocean is also home to a remarkable diversity of marine life, from the giant squid that lurk in the depths to the playful sea otters that frolic in the kelp forests. The Pacific is a testament to the incredible variety of life on Earth. The Pacific Ocean has been a source of sustenance and inspiration for countless generations. The Polynesian people, for example, navigated the vast expanse of the Pacific using only the stars, waves, and currents. Their voyages are testament to human ingenuity and courage. Today, the Pacific Ocean continues to connect us all. However, the Pacific Ocean is facing unprecedented challenges. As we conclude our journey across the world's oceans, we are left in awe of the Pacific's vastness, its beauty, and its importance to our planet. So, there you have it. The Pacific Ocean is not only the largest ocean on Earth, but also one of the most important and awe-inspiring. It covers more than 30% of Earth's surface, holds the deepest point on the planet, and connects continents, cultures, and ecosystems. From the icy Arctic to the vast Pacific, we've seen the incredible diversity of life that our oceans support, and the vital role they play in regulating our planet's climate. But with great size comes great responsibility. The more we learn about our oceans, the more we understand how vital they are and how urgently they need our care. By working together, we can protect these precious resources for future generations. Thanks for diving in with Earth and Beyond. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures exploring the wonders of Earth and the universe. What ocean do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected to Earth and Beyond.